Hello everyone and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This tutorial on safety zones will provide you with the steps to create hot, warm, and cool zone buffers around a specified area. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the safety zone tool can be accessed. To access the safety zone tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Safety group, click on Safety Tools and select Safety Zones. The Safety Zone tool is then displayed. To create a safety zone buffer, create a polygon for the area of interest by clicking on Draw Polygon. Next, place the polygon points in the 3D window by clicking on the desired locations. The user must place at least 2 points. Then, right-click to complete the drawing. Select desired buffer zones by checking their associated boxes. Then, set the buffer distance by entering a value in the selected zone text box. Finally, click on Create Safety Zones. We went over how to create hot, warm, and cool zone buffers around a specified area in our project. This concludes the tutorial on safety zones. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, and SIMmetry's User Manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.